Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious shrimp boil. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh shrimp, some corn on the cob, small potatoes, and your favorite smoked sausage. Don't forget a good quality seafood boil seasoning, lemons, and onions. Make sure you have a very large pot ready for cooking. Now let's create that incredible broth. Fill your large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add a generous amount of seafood seasoning, sliced lemons, and quartered onions. Once boiling, add your potatoes and cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are nearly tender. Then, add the sausage and corn, letting them cook for another 5 minutes. The shrimp are the star, so timing is key. Add your fresh shrimp to the boiling mixture last. They cook very quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes, until they turn a beautiful pink color and curl slightly. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can make them tough and rubbery. A perfectly cooked shrimp is tender and juicy. Once everything is perfectly cooked, carefully drain the entire boil using a large strainer. For an authentic experience, pour your shrimp boil directly onto a large platter or even a newspaper-covered table. Serve it immediately with sides of melted butter, extra seafood seasoning, and perhaps some cocktail sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade shrimp boil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.